India developing bunker buster missiles to strike 100 meters underground. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Um, so today we will talk about India developing bunker buster missiles after Iran, Israel, America war. America strikes 3 nuclear sites in Iran and he used B-2 bomber and he burst bunkers capable of targeting hidden bases in Pakistan and China. India is developing a next generation bunker buster missiles capable of destroying enemy targets buried deep underground. According to media reports, the Defense Research and Development Organization (DRDO) is working on an upgraded version of the Agni 5 missile that can penetrate up to 100 meters into the earth, equivalent to a 33-story building. The missile will be able to target underground command centers and in nuclear facilities in both Pakistan and China. Earth, what we know so far about India's bunker buster missiles, what it is, why it's needed, and how it compares with the United States' most powerful bunker buster bomb. Why is the why is India's bunker buster missiles need, and what is the India's bunker buster missile? So, as per report, DRDO is developing two advanced variants of the Agni 5 intercontinental ballistic missiles. Intercontinental missiles bunker buster warhead variant designed to strike enemy hideouts buried 80 to 100 meters underground. Airburst warheads variant capable of exploding above or at surface level of destroying a wider area. Both variants are designed to target fortified enemy defenses such as radar stations, nuclear weapons facilities, command centers, and weapons storage sites. The Agni 5 is an ICBM with a strike range of 5,000 to 7,000 kilometers. It can carry nuclear warheads and is capable of striking across continents. The missile last successful test was conducted on 11 March 2024. DRDO is now working to upgrade it to carry bunker buster payloads. Is it more powerful than America's bunker buster bomb? So the United States currently possesses the world's most powerful non-nuclear bunker buster bomb, the GBU-57. The suddenly last time he used in Iran. The GBU-57 massive ordnance penetrator MOP. Other nations like China, Russia and South Korea also have similar technologies. The GBU-57 is dropped from specialized B-2 stealth bombers. On 21 June 2024, the US reportedly dropped 14 such bombs on Iran. Iran Fordo nuclear sites. Well, India missiles is expected to strike deeper underground than the GPU-57. The two use different technologies. India's missiles uses propulsion to force the warheads deep underground. America's bomb relies on sheer mass and gravity to penetrate before detonation. Different technologies. Delivery system, the GPO 57. 57 is airdropped from a bomber, whereas India's version will be launched from a missile launcher using a canister and based system, not airdrop system. Range, so India's missile may reach up to 2500 km for bunker busting missions, while the US B-2 bomber has a flying range of 11,000 km with aerial refueling, making it globally deployable warhead. So India upgraded Agni 5 can carry a 7500 kg 7500 kg warheads. The GPU 57 weight around 30,000. It's double 30,600 with roughly 2,700 kilogram explosive. Unbelievable. मतलब technology. Penetration depth. So GPU 57 can destroy targets up to 60 meters. 200 to 60 meters to 200 feet. 200 feet underground. Well, India's missile is being designed to reach 80 to 100 meters. 80 to 100 meters, 300 feet something. This is the capability. Why does India need a bunker buster missile? So defense analysts believe India's need for such a missile is rooted in threats from both Pakistan and China. According to Vivek Mishra, Deputy Director of the Strategic Studies Program at ORF, China is a signatory of a nuclear non-proliferation treaty (NPT) and part of the P5 nations. But Pakistan is not. India needs this capability primarily due to the risk of Pakistan. China already possesses the DF-15C, so are short-range ballistic missiles with bunker busting capabilities that can reach targets 700 kilometers away and penetrate up to 25 meters underground. India also lacks jets capable of launching heavy bunker buster bombs. Fighters like the Rafale and Sukhoi Mk cannot be used for this. Therefore, India is opting for a missile-based delivery system to enhance its underground strike capabilities. How will the missile be launched? So, like the original Agni 5, the upgraded bunker buster version will use a canister-based launch system. The missile is stored and launched from a sealed canister. On launch, compressed gas ejects the missile from the canister before the rocket motor ignites and guided it to the target. Thus, this system allows for quick deployment and high mobility. Unlike airdropped bombs that requires aircraft to reach the target range. Why is it important for India's deterrence policy? In military strategy, deterrence refers to the ability to prevent enemy attacks by ensuring a strong and credible retaliatory capabilities. Vivek Mishra explains, India is a nuclear trade country. Some countries have a nuclear power and they are always on top. But if you see Pakistan, they also have a nuclear power, but they can't he have a survival problems. It can launch nuclear strikes from land. India is a nuclear trade country. It can launch nuclear strikes from land, air, and sea. Pakistan lacks this. The deployment of a bunker buster missiles adds another layer to India's deterrence, especially by threatening underground nuclear and military facilities in Pakistan. If India want to destroy them, uh, he had a capabilities. When will this missile be ready? DRDO has not yet officially announced a launch date. The project is reportedly in its early development phase, and no public statement has been made regarding testing or deployment timelines. Some real defense regions, which other countries have bunker buster bombs or missiles. So United States always on first. GPU 57 up to 60 meters means 100 feet deep. GBU 28 and BLU 109 also in service. China. Second, China. So China have DF-15 bunker buster missile with penetration depth of 25 meters, 82 feet. KAB, Russia. Russia have a KAB and BAT-AB series bunker buster bombs can penetrate 1.5 and 5 meters underground. South Korea have a Hyunmoo 4 and Hyunmoo 5 missiles with 600 kilometer range. Hyunmoo 4 can penetrate up to 24 meters. And Israel uses American GPU 28 and BLU 109 bomb. Israel surviving because Israel survived because of America. Because of Israel powerful because of America support him. And Israel use American GPU 28 and BLU 109 reportedly modified and used in 2024 against Hezbollah. So fifth number, Turkey. Turkey currently developing SARB 83 and NEB 84 bunker buster bombs, and no have a description and knowledge its range and how it's used, how much feet he used. India's entry into this allied group signals a significant leap in its strategic and military capabilities. So if India come in this allied group, he will capable to destroy bunkers. And when India come in this group, he come in top first, because India developing 100 meters deep missiles to attack 100 meter deep in earth, and United States have a 60 meters. So India come in top. So thank you so much watching my video. We will meet next video. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.